those are the somewhat stock taillights I have on the car currently. And they're so ugly. I don't think I've mentioned this, but this is the worst feature of the second generation IS. And part of the whole reason I didn't want to buy the car, along with the air vents on the inside. But it's a really weird thing to hate about a car, but it's an amazing platform, and I love the car. I just hate the taillights so much. That's why you've seen me try and modify them. I added this carbon fiber strip, added this LED, which actually make me kind of like them. But then that one's cracked over there, which is the one I didn't add LEDs to, and it's leaking in the trunk, which took me forever to figure out, which is kind of embarrassing. But since that happened, I had the excuse to go out and buy this. These are the replacements for that, and I am pretty fucking excited. These are the taillights I've always wanted, and I posted them even on the Santos Limited site before they were released, because I was trying to get them from the manufacturer so early. So now that they're released and the manufacturer didn't respond to me still, after almost a year and a half or some shit like that, it's time to install them. Now I'm going to speed through this, give you guys exactly what you need to know. I forgot the sticky. But now it's time to get rid of these ugly things. And it's actually a fairly simple process. You're going to need a 10mm, a clip puller. I think that's about it. And you just got to pull the panels off. So I'm going to start with this corner because I feel like that'll be the fastest to change. Then I'll do this center and then show you guys the difference between the two because it's just a huge fucking difference. I hate you! So to start, you're going to pull off the clip that's right here. Pull off the top piece. It is literally just velcroed on. These clips on the top of here tend to break, so be very careful. When I go along the trunk line, mine are all broken. I've tried to fix them and they're still broken. Then you're going to have to unscrew your net holder. You could try and access it from the access hole, but that's just too much work. So just remove that, remove the clip, and just pull this out of your way. And then you have full access to the 3 bolts on the back of the tail. Yeah! Then after you unbolt this taillight, it's still going to be stuck in there because there is a clip all the way down. So you have to pull the carpet down. It's fairly durable, so you don't always have to worry. And then just unplug it from the connector that's mounted to the body. Should be a little button somewhere here. That's on the bottom of it. Then you pull out the connector. And then after you pull out the connector, pull out the light, which does not want to come out. There we go. Wow. Now for the beautiful new taillight. You just do the reverse of what you did before. Feed the plug in. And then you're going to want to make sure you get this little hook here on this little tab, because that's what holds it in the corner beautifully. Grab the holes and tap it in. Gently until it's in place. And then install your bolts. So now that beautiful light is in, and you can just tell the major difference between the two. This one definitely looks much sleeker, and the quality up close is insane. Normally with aftermarket taillights, when you look up close, the quality is just eh, but these are beautiful up close. There's small little details all over them, and that's, I'm pretty sure, why everyone likes VLAND, because these just look fantastic. The quality is above Lexus's original quality. I mean, granted, these are red outed and don't look that great because I put LED strips in them, of course, but hey, these look fantastic. With all the little details, chrome where you want it to be, and they're blacked out everywhere else. It is beautiful. So let's get this side done. The middle ones, because to do the right one, obviously you do the same thing as on the left side, and you pull that all apart. But right now we're going to actually go for the middle. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You just take out all these little clips. You can take them out with a flathead, so it does damage them and make them gross looking and sharp. So using a tool like this for all your clips really helps. And I'm going to use this tool as well as show you how to remove this, which is really simple. Literally just pull it out, twist it around, and then push it, and then there you go. You literally just push it down so it can come out of the little notch in here. And once you learn that, it's just super fucking easy. It just slides out, and then you just have your little wire still sticking here. So let's get the rest of this. Another pro tip, you don't actually have to pull out the handle like I originally thought, which is kind of dumb. You literally just slide everything off. So you slide it off the handle first, like that, and you pull it forward, if I got, oh no, I'm missing one, that's why. Then you just slide it forward and it comes right off, and then there goes your carpet. Then to get to these taillights as well, it's super easy again. Unplug them. Now another thing to keep note, the taillights are actually on the clip. I don't know why they are, but they have the clip in this situation, so you have to unclip them from the trunk before pulling it out. And then there's one bolt in this hole right here next to it, and then there's 2 bolts on the outside here. The plastic caps, they're just a regular 10mm, and they come right off super easy, and then your taillight just pulls out. And out goes the second one, out of 4, because reasons of 4. And now for the side-by-side comparison. As you can see, these make a huge difference to the back of the car, and I'm loving these. There are some fitment issues already that I'll go over later after I get the second set in, but overall, holy fuck, do those look good! I can't wait to actually turn them on and see, but you guys are going to see it first because I'm the one changing things in the car. I'm so excited! It makes such a beautiful difference. I swear, these are taillights that every IS owner wants, and I completely understand. Holy fuck, are they beautiful compared to the stock uglies. Okay, I'm going to go through the motions and show you guys everything with all these lights. It's going to be cool. So that's a huge difference, but I can't wait to see them fully installed, so let's do it. And just like that, it's completely done. I fucking love it. It looks so much better. It makes the back end of this car look insane. Now my only issue is the reflectors down here don't match. I'll fix that. But for now, this is so good looking. You can just see the darker, richer, dark cherry color that I like, that I wanted to do with the other set by painting them black inside, which I might still do since they're sitting here now. But overall, that is insane. Now you can see there's some fitment issues, I'm sure. On this side, it's pretty good. It's got a big gap here. Not everything lines up as perfectly as you'd want it to. Then on this side, I've always had a fitment issue with the taillights. This side is down further. And also I'm having a rubbing issue here, so I'm gonna have to move over my trunk because my trunk is a little misshapen. That's something else I need to replace. But god damn, they look good. It is just a completely different car while maintaining a somewhat OEM look. So when these taillights light up, the inner part of the L lights up, but it also kind of like reflects on the lower part of the L and makes it look insane. I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups real quick because that is just oh my god, I love it. So this is it for today's video. These look amazing. Probably one of the best investments I've made. And it actually makes the back end of this car look a little less ricey. I'm going to try and dedicate a little less money to ricer mods. I want to do them at first because they're fun and they're interesting. But at the end of the day, they're not part of an end build. So we're going to start getting into nicer mods. I actually still have to reattach this and decide if I'm keeping it or not. Go through, start remodding this car, finally get some real good suspension. All these lowering springs have been really good to me. It's time to get coilovers or air suspension. It's time to get wheels with some really good fitment from standard, or at least ones that are wider. I'm looking for maybe like a 10 in the back, something nice like that. I've been talking to sponsors and everything for that, so it's going to be really cool on this channel. And I can't wait to start doing everyday videos. I want to try and do it again. I've been saying this, but like, I'm actually making a dedication to it, and I'm going to start putting a list of things I'm doing every day, so that I really actually follow through with it. Because I remember having so much fun. Even though it was a lot of work, it was fun. But these are probably the best taillights for this car, in my opinion, based on quality and everything like that, and they just look insane. Tomorrow I'm going to release some night clips as the video, just because I'm not going to be able to actually film for tomorrow. I'm literally filming this today. That's why it's coming out late, is because I was out in Virginia yesterday, so I really needed to get back and get this filmed for you guys. But I'll give you guys some night clips tomorrow. They're gonna look insane because these, I mean, just look how good these look right now. Like, come on. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy these taillights. I hope you guys pick up a set for yours because these are fucking amazing on this car and they're even better in person. And peace out and be legendary.
Baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you told me to hurt me. You